Sometimes you want to cut a dado or a groove for its strength, but you don't want it to be visible when you're looking at the edge of the workpiece. So you might use a stopped dado or groove, which means that you would cut almost to the edge of the workpiece, but you would stop short. And you might do that on both sides or on just the front side. To do this, I've installed a regular homemade edge guide, and I've made some stop blocks, and I put some double-sided tape on the back so that I can peel that off and I can attach it to the edge guide. And now when I run my router against the workpiece, it's going to come in contact with that stop and it'll stop the dado cutting right where I want it. This is especially useful if you're going to make repeated cuts on multiple workpieces that you want all the same, because the stop blocks will stay right on your edge guide. For more great tips, tricks, and tutorials designed to make you a better woodworker, check out Stumpy Nubs Woodworking Journal. You can read and subscribe for free at stumpynubs.com.